gangs. You need some of the good bloggers on the media. Your media support is very weak. Your media support is very weak. More love on this mame. Your media support is very weak. Because so media supports a very strong one. Before you went to the radio station, you would tell them, ask me this, ask me that. This question, don't ask me. Because one of your interview, I was watching you and you went to interview and they were asking you, where did you get your money from? That is a stupidity question. To me, it's a stupidity question. Because where the person got his or her money from does not have anything to do about what he is coming to do to help Ghanaians. Ghana for ya say and someone has come say I want to be a president. I want to help the country. I don't do politics. I'm saying it as it is. You see? And the person is trying to approach Ghanaians. So I want to help Ghana. Also, I'm apart for vice president. What must I say? And you know, some questions are some of the media people who call interview. Some of the questions, you know, but I've seen say you don't have the media support. Your team is weak. They have to tell the radio station, the TV station, don't ask me this question. I don't want to talk about this before you start the interview. Because some of us, some of Ghanaians doesn't know you. You have now come out for people to know you, who you are. Maybe say na minimum that. Maybe na minimum that, but because you have coming out and tell people you want to be a president, as Anna Mama will say, we have something, we have some mind like this. Our business mind or no so what Jenny Dinwa Popra or Ghana. What must say? But your team know what they be president. If you are very serious and you mean business to be a president, Mr. Caesar Freedom, your team know what they are starting to interview, you know, is very weak. And it is not going to help you. Because Ghana for as some baku toya jimwa and only a fa. And only a fa. So send a baby our bow bread druno. For you to go and sit on the radio for them to ask you any negativity question. When to me and ya no year. And on a better Ghana phobia jimo. So anything that you come out to tell the Ghanaians, you know, nobody will listen to you. And Petim Papa. They will guide you how to talk. What must say? Nyamia shraw when you are doing what to do acquire. But when it comes to the politics, no, how to talk to gain somebody's mind, my bro. Some of your interviews you are doing and how you are talking, you know, it can never win some people's mind, though. So I am here to advise you, say, for you to pay more money to the radio stations and the TV station for them to interview you, you know, some people are there say they will interview to disgrace you, to bring you down. So if you mean business to be a president, then you have to look back to the social media, especially the Facebook. You have to get some of the gurus. We have so many bloggers on the media. We have so many very intelligent bloggers on the media. You have to get some of them. So if any negativity thing come to your line, they will stand and talk for you. And yeah, something now bet me you in one way. Because now no say me here, but they were talking about tax and whatever, and how you were responding to the tax, you know, and tasum. And if I am part of your group, or if I'm a you are, I will not respond to it. What must I say? And we have some near maybe what your bloggers have to respond for you. You need the team. You need bloggers. You need the team. We need people to guide you. Because I've grown a what yes you say you want to be a president and young kwala grown a uba bedino. You need people on the media for them to support you. You need people, you need your you kind of say your team, your radio team, and your radio behind us okoso. And your radio station behind us okoso. There are some of the radio stations they are there to disgrace you. And your radio station behind us okoso. So person will president now person will be dinner where you and him now open. If you want Ghanaians to believe you are, and your radio station be an answer bra okoso, and your TV station be an answer okoso, and your nipa bian you have to allow yourself for them to interview you. Because who are what you are. So they will ask you stupidity questions. At the end of the day, no, if you can't explain yourself well, and to me, my woman standing as a candidate president, oh, Mr. Caesar, freedom. So as for me, I am a businesswoman here, and I am telling you, if you need the media support and the social media support, we have the team. Tie, candidate be our person by a president. Now we need social media team, no, forget it. Forget it. Forget it. What must say? Right? The last time, I'm say baby I will ya. Now the cars are twa so. Now I'm the one name called good pan who no more freedom. No. Sa trip now ko ye say. Also ko ya de fair, but I'm trendy. I'm quite chiri. What must say? But when you have the social media, social media backup, no, and come, they will take the video. Like a video, no, they will take the video, and they will discuss about the video. They will talk about the video. Woman and come be home come. Woman and come back home some. I'm in crass phone. I will be away crassing. Ya mama mun crass phone. One more, they will know say, hey. Say abrantie I will say upper president say how this is the video, this is that. You can't use any one blogger so they be the president too. And we have the social media, some of the bloggers. They don't defend. But also the bloggers need be Mr. Caesar. I'm not saying you know what to say. I say I like this woman in terms of business, massa. Me cannot cry, mama, cannot cry. What was here? One say bloggers know Mr. Caesar, Mr. Incoming President. What must say? But I mean your politics. But I mean the old whom watching best now me business today. You need people like us to talk for you. What was here? And ka baby a wo na wo de cars be ye 12 was 20 Land Cruisers na to so no. Mr. Jacob. I would do Land Cruiser na to also be ante. Also I'm trendy. Anko baby will be ante because you don't have social media gurus. I come back trendy amount. We see kada when yano. And you will cast now with the twat. So if you want to be a president, a BHC kanimu. Now you won't crawl for you fee. You won't crawl for they will do the dirty work for you. Abra upieba so by a president. We saw some people coming out to insult you. Ebu pieba bonse they call you different names. But senka social media gurus, social media banter, social media backers for no wa. Kiaba crash one time. Kiaba crash one time. They said they're gonna have everything is about social media. It's Mr. Caesar Jacob. Bro, I am here to advise you. Pemechira kwine. Mayem pemechira kwine for me to link you to the media, the social media. Where business weno. And your friend ya baba ya sebia. Obi ya broga ya neno wasem. Obi ya broga ya neno wantokwa debi. Yenimu bloggers omo ye strikers. What was here? Yenimu bloggers omo ye strikers. Me ye do na me no want to kwakra na me nimsa wo. Oh, yes, striker to say me, yes, striker no. What I say? We will connect you. We will connect you. And the president now person who didn't offend wa bano. Sa wo cast now the atwa so ne wo fie no niam ne ya kan say o videos no a wo de chere no. Eno no ntimi mo ama ya president to media phone gum to social media phone gum enye radio bia na esa o kasa so enye TV bia na esa o kasa so. And when you are going to the interview, don't allow them to ask you any negativity question. You have to underline your questions that you want them to ask you. I also starting the bloggers in the interviews. Bloggers now in your main interviews, you know, they don't defend. They don't defend. They don't talk. They don't fight. They don't defend. What am I say? You need the bloggers which they can defend you, they can fight for you, they can promote you. Baby, when you went to Kumasi to do something, they will go and take the video. No mind your video, no who did they for people to know. So so don't sit there. I say Mama Pat is talking sense, pa. I'm telling him the strategic he can let people to know the good thing of him. Sa be board na kese na waye sisi krom abodi ni nyina fa so bia ni so. Be board will not talk. Enyo obia na epiempo no akohu be board. Enyo obia na ready no akohu be board. Obu okro hu wo be board no so a he or she doesn't know anything about the be board. By scanner udi ye be board no. What I say so shegu social media no so. And I am the queen of the social media. She shall me china kwai. Na min pia bloggers ni bi man. No munye wo hu dede. Send assembly ba wo ma bonti me yi wano. They will talk for you. What am I say? They board like a siena wa yesi wa boarding bebre no. They board will not help you for people to know you. If you want people to know you, it's all about the social and the media. Said you will be too good anymore. Say one day, riasi nyina hu no. Sana se do ba to ho. Na fe omo kire niema wo ya. People will know you. And people will know you say, Eduro say, you have stand as a president obi koduru wa ode ne sabetimu so because okrofo bebre ni mo. Enti ton wo ho. O say Facebook woman what was it? Ton wo ho. Ton if you want to be a president, ton wo ho. Na yen ton na wo di ne nko. Na yen show rules and regulations. And you radio bia na esa okoso. And then you blogger bia na esu di na chi. Because bu oba interview keke. O interview we od we jaho. Assembly ba won me defend that. But we have the guru bloggers on the media. Anything bad about you, they will defend you. When you better know about your president. What must say? I will not come and I will not counter you. I will not counter you because say I may babe maybe na that you PS up so your president. I will be happy. So I want to help you with my intelligence. What must say? You may know book, you may see English. By me, I know the English so much, but I have the brain. And I am a business woman. What must say?